Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the secret banana heels in Dress and Prow's new Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the banana heels looks like, and then I'm going to show you how you can get this banana heels. Okay, first of all, you can go to this location. Wait, I'm going to move to the location. Okay, we're gonna go to this area guys, and then you can tap on this pumpkin. Just collect this pumpkin and then you will get this banana heels. Wait, I'm going to take it off and then I'm going to click on this pumpkin. Wait, this one. You can tap on this pumpkin and then you will get this banana heels. And yeah, that's so cute. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this secret banana heels in Dress and Prow's new Halloween update event. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.